Okay, so for all you parents who are trying to figure out how to put your belts on your kids, you're going to start by finding the middle of the belt. And you're going to take that and put it right at their belly button. You're going to wrap it around the back and switch them in the back. And then you'll bring them back to the front. So you'll have one on either side. You're going to crisscross them here. From that crisscross, you want to hold it all together, and you're going to take the one on the outside, so the one crossing over everything, and you're tucking up under all of it. So it comes behind both levels of belt here and comes through. Then you can snug it up to the desired tightness for them. And then I always recommend the one sticking out the top, the one coming up and through, to wrap around and through before you pull into that knot position. And the reason is, so once you get it here, you can see it's kind of like a fortune cookie. If we do it the other way, where we take the bottom one over, you have one going down and one kind of angled up and out. So taking the top over the bottom, wrapping through, allows you to tighten there and get a nice knot in the front here. Now there's another method for this, so I'm going to show the second option, and this is generally what we show for people putting on their own belts, but it can also be done if you're putting on a student's belt for them. So that is taking the end with the tag. So we use the one with the kanji here, but if it just has a tag on it, take that, you're going to put it on your back. You're going to hold it in place, and then you'll wrap the belt around and put it right on top of that belt in the back. So you can see here, if I turn, so here's the original part, and I'm going to place this right on top here, and then I just wrap it around an additional time. So once we do this, we've got the two original ones, and then the belt coming through. So I'm going to hold all that together, and I'm going to do that same method of tucking from the bottom up so that I have one sticking out the top now. And then from here, I'm going to take that inside one. So you can see on the left side, there's 3 layers here. I'm going to take that inside one, and I'm going to push it down. And now we're back to that same position where we have one sticking out the top and one on the bottom. You just loop it over the top and through, and you can pull, and you have your knot. All right, you guys, good luck with your practice on this. As always, we're here to help if you need it.